Okay, so today we have the live demo of the Lifestyle Mobility Aid Stationary Oxygen Concentrator model LM5A. So this is essentially just designed to have an inlet of air right here. So the air goes in, goes through a filter, and then after that, the machine starts to concentrate the O2 from the ambient air, and then outputs it through this nozzle right here. So basic functions include, basic details. Anyways, we have the power switch. We have a circuit breaker right here just to, obviously if there's any disruption in the input power. We have a runtime meter right now. It reads 3.3 hours of runtime. And the last bit we have right here is a flow rate adjuster. So we also have some warning lights right here to alert for the different levels of oxygen present and coming out of this outlet nozzle. So I'm going to turn it on and then we're going to see exactly how this works. Okay, so now it's pumping and you can see the different colors right here telling you how much oxygen is actually coming out. So the yellow means a slightly low amount of oxygen. Green right now means there's a good amount of oxygen exiting here due to from the sensor, and the red just blinked for a little bit. That means a low amount of oxygen. And then right here we have our adjuster. So if I were to turn this all the way down, this is minimizing the amount of air, of oxygen exiting this outlet right here. And so it's read in liters per minute, and we have obviously from 0 up to 5. And so right now it's beeping saying there's too little oxygen coming out. So if I were to raise this value to somewhere around 4 liters per minute, read by that little floater ball right there. Now 4 liters per minute of oxygen is exiting this outlet. And so, here, let me put this back. This device is intended to run for 6 years continuously, and shouldn't have any issues through there. Has a 5 liter capacity, and that's 5 liters of maximum flow out through this outlet nozzle right here. And optional accessories include a humidifier bottle that would slip right into the front of here. So the outlet oxygen would come out from here into the humidifier bottle, which is just filled with water and a few filters. And then after that, the exiting oxygen from there is going to be slightly humidified in order to ease any respiratory issues that would be caused from dry oxygen exiting this outlet port. Overall, a relatively simple user interface right here to mitigate any confusion during operation, and hopefully this can save some lives. So after we took off the shroud for the oxygen concentrator, here's the overall look at how the internals work. So we're going to break that down. So power flows in down there, and then here we have the motor, the actual pump motor for it, which is mounted on springs in order to help control vibration. So the output from there then flows through these steel tanks, which contain a zeolite that can help to actually concentrate the oxygen. And then airflow into there is controlled by these solenoids right here. And the internals also contain a fan, obviously, for cooling. This thing does get quite hot. We have a capacitor to manage the spikes in current that the motor draws, and just an overall basic circuit board to control flow and control, how the power runs the whole system. The function of this device right here is unknown currently. And we are also trying to locate the battery that powers this display, which shows the total runtime. Other parts of this also include the flow meter, and to just monitor how much oxygen is actually flowing through here. We also have, just the basic pipes running and controlling the airflow through here. Yeah, not too much going on here. It's a very simple design in the interior. Everything seems pretty functional. There's not too much fluff to it. But yeah.